Hello! Welcome to part 2 of your health lesson. I can identify what a person needs. All right, if you remember, we're going to do some review of our vocabulary words. If you remember, last week we introduced the word shelter. Then we have water, we have unhealthy foods, and we have nutritious foods. Hopefully these words mean a little bit more to you now that you finished our lesson. All right, so for part 2 of this science lesson, we're going to review our focus standard and vocabulary. We're going to review our basic science rules. We're going to review our KWL chart. We're going to start making connections to our home, community, and world, and we're going to extend this lesson through text and experimentation. Will you help me pop these balloons again? Help me pop these balloons. Ready? Good job. Listen to your teacher. That's a basic science rule. Can you help me pop this big red balloon? Good job. Interact nicely with the materials. What about this green balloon? Can you help me pop this green balloon? Let me hear you. Good job. All experiments are done with a teacher. Never do experiments alone. All right, let's get this big yellow balloon. Let's pop this big yellow balloon. Let me hear you. Good job popping that big yellow balloon. Investigate the materials. These are our science rules. Let's take a moment to watch this video about general lab safety together.
Smell indirectly by wafting. Don't smell chemicals directly. Don't eat or drink in the laboratory.
Stop!
Don't wear loose items, including hair and clothes. Wear safety goggles. Don't take off safety goggles. Read instructions before mixing chemicals. Don't randomly mix chemicals. Never pour chemicals back into the original container.
No. Don't pour it back.
Let the instructor clean up broken glass. Never pick up broken glass with your bare hands. No horseplay in the lab. Wash eyes for 20 minutes immediately when exposed to chemicals. Always be safe in lab.
Next, we are going to watch our anticipatory set. Let's watch this video and try to figure out what we're going to be talking about today.
What helps your muscles grow big and strong? Grow, grow, grow big and strong. What helps your legs run real fast? Run, run, run real fast. What helps your arms swim in the water? Swim, swim, swim in the water. What helps your body grow? It's good foods help your muscles grow. potatoes, rice. May I have a little more? Yeah! What helps your body jump in the air? Jump, jump, jump in the air. What helps your hands shoot a basketball? Shoot, shoot, shoot a basketball. What helps your arms paddle a boat? Paddle, paddle, paddle a boat. What helps your body grow? It's good foods help you jump in the air. Good foods help you shoot a basketball. Good foods help you paddle a boat. Good foods, all right. Good foods, all right. Like apples, bananas, oranges and grapes, chicken, fish, ham and steak, broccoli, beans, carrots and corn, potatoes and rice. May I have a little more, please? Yeah. It's good foods help your muscles grow. Good foods help you run real fast. Good foods help your arms to swim. Good foods, all right. Good foods, eat them every day. Let's be friends.
Based on that anticipatory set, do you remember what we're going to be talking about in this lesson? Are we going to be talking about nutritious foods or nice shoes? Which one? Did you say nutritious foods? That's right. We are going to be talking about nutritious foods today. Let's review our KWL chart. Do you remember what we knew? What we already know. Good memory. Plants need water, sunlight, and nutrients to survive. Do you remember what we wanted to know? That's right. We wanted to know what healthy foods do people need to survive. Do you remember what we learned during our last lesson? That's right. Good memory. People need healthy food with nutrients to survive. Healthy foods include grains, fruits, and vegetables. All right, so now we are going to make connections to the world around us. When we do this, I want you to use your steps to understanding connections. First, I want you to listen to the lesson. Good job listening to the lesson. You've already done the first step. Second, I want you to apply what you learned to the school setting. Third, I want you to apply what you've learned to our community. And fourth, I want you to apply what you've learned to the world. Let's make those connections. First, we are going to make a connection to our home. During this video, we are going to see a man make a vegetable salad at home. Let's watch.
Look at this. This is some sweet jam lettuce, and basically just wash them off, and I'm going to show you. Yeah, this is how you want to cut them up. Really lovely and nice. And this salad, you can make this at home for the summer, you know, or a nice lovely evening dinner. Really nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Then some cucumber. Basically all you want to do with the cucumber is scrape out the middle by use a teaspoon. nice one. So when they grate but the middle, that is where it's gonna be look. Really nice. And simple, slice it up. And that's just half of a cucumber. Just straight inside of it. Give it a lovely stir. Really nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Get 2 nice pieces of spring onion. Fine dice and chop it up. Straighten it like that. Lovely. Yellow pepper. A few slices of yellow pepper. Straighten it like that. I love my pepper. It's giving me a lot of flavor to my food.
He's cutting up an apple.
Straighten it like this. Lovely and nice. It's good to put a little bit of lemon in it because the apple will normally go black. See, just like that by using a teaspoon. I'll do one more to show you.
Now he's cutting up a
Cut
tomato.
off the edges. Just like this. Use a teaspoon. Give it nice, lovely small slices. That also bring a lot of flavor to the food, man.
He added a little
That's
salt and
simple. Give it
pepper.
a
Now he's
nice,
stirring
lovely
it
stir.
around.
Really, really nice, guys. Which you guys can make at home. Really nice. Look at this.
That was a great video about how to make a vegetable salad at home. What a healthy food option. Now we are going to watch a video that makes a connection to our community. Let's watch a video about the local Charlotte area farmers markets. These are great places to get healthy foods that are grown by local farmers. That was a pretty cool video that helped us make a connection to our community in Charlotte. Next, we're going to watch a video that helps us make a connection to the world. This is a video that is going to show us what different school lunches look like around the world. a pretty cool video that showed us what different lunches look like around the world. Next, I would like you to go to the Google Drive and complete some of the activities that you see there. One of the activities that you will see is a book from Reading A to Z and a graphic organizer that you can use to talk about the different parts of the story. If you would like to do this with me, you can continue to the next video in the playlist. There you will find me doing the activity with you. Last week, we read Bonk the Healthy Monster, and we completed the graphic organizer together, or you did it on your own. This week, we are going to read Healthy Me and complete the graphic organizer together, or you can read it on your own. I want you to listen to the steps on how to complete this experiment. You can either do this at home, or you can do it with me in a video this week. So this experiment is called How Greasy Are Your Potato Chips? The objective of this experiment is to investigate how much fat is in a typical potato chip or potato crisps. We call them potato chips. In some places they call them potato crisps. The general idea of this activity is I'd like you to get 2 paper towels and lay them out. On one paper towel, I would like you to put 1 or some potato chips. This won't ruin the potato chips, so you can still eat the potato chips later. I'd like you to put the potato chips on one of your paper towels, and then on the other paper towel, I would like you to put something healthy, like some dry carrots, or maybe a dry apple. Make sure that the thing that you put on the paper towel is not wet. It needs to be dry. I want you to leave these 2 things on the paper towels for 1 hour, and then return to the paper towels and look at the difference. Do you remember the questions that I wanted you to think about during this lesson? Let's use our steps to critical thinking and problem solving to answer these questions now. Do you remember the steps to critical thinking and problem solving? Let's review them together. Step 1, listen to the question. Step 2, listen to all of your answer choices. Step 3, think about your choices. Step 4, answer the question by choosing one of the answer choices. Let's answer these questions about the lesson. Which foods are nutritious? Candy, banana, or soda? Did you say banana? Yes, banana is an example of a nutritious food. Next question. One human need is blank. Which one of these is a human need? Water, shoes, or chips? Did you say water? Yes, water is a basic human need. Look at your picture. What basic human need is in this picture? You are looking at a picture of a house. Is that an example of shelter, rest, or unhealthy food? Did you say shelter? That's right. Shelter is what you see in this picture of a house. It is a basic human need. Thank you so much for completing your health lesson with me. It was nice to see you today. I'll see you later.